Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter login error on settings. We will go to click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for a Twitter app. We'll just go down to find Twitter and we click here on Twitter and we go to next window. Then we will click here on force stop and we will click here on OK. Then we click here on storage and we will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on clear data and you just go to app or Play Store and you go to update your account or your app and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.